Someone dies by suicide in the United States every 11 minutes. And tonight, we're on the verge of a new effort to bring that number down.
Tomorrow, there will be a new resource available nationwide for anyone dealing with a mental health crisis. And it comes at a time of growing demand. And as
CBS 8's Richard Allen finds out, it is as simple as dialing 988.
Well, that's right. Just like 911, this new 988 hotline number, which you can call or text, is easy to remember and makes it easy to access mental health services.
You just don't see it because it's unthinkable.
Tonight, I spoke with Margaret Strom, whose 19-year-old son, Aaron, was a student at Mesa College in Linda Vista. Margaret never thought her son would take his own life.
It was a complete and total shock.
In the 22 years since Aaron's death, Margaret's devoted her life to helping spread the word about suicide prevention. She's optimistic that the rollout of 988 will be able to help those who are struggling.
Anything we can do to try to prevent it and to save lives.
We're committed to making this work.
Dr. Luke Berkman is Director of Behavioral Health Services for the County of San Diego. He says that anyone calling or texting 988 from a San Diego number will be routed to the county's already established Access and Crisis Line, which has recently received additional funding to increase staffing and prepare for an anticipated rise in the number of calls it receives once 988 launches.
You will reach a live and master's degree prepared clinical expert. When you call that number, you will be able to converse with somebody in one of 150 different languages.
A recent study by the New York Times found that nationwide, as much as 17% of calls to suicide prevention hotlines are abandoned before the caller is connected with help. Dr. Bergman says that here in San Diego County, with more robust staffing and other resources, it's less than 1%.
I am confident that we are going to be prepared for an uptick, and we're anticipating that. I would actually say that relative to most other jurisdictions across the state, probably across the nation, San Diego is especially well prepared for this shift.
And keep in mind the county's current Access and Crisis hotline number, 888-724-7240, will still remain operational along with 988. And for more information on behavioral health resources, just go to cbs8.com and click on the Help button.